Get ready to be inspired by Charli XCX's latest fashion statement. The power of a well-styled outfit is undeniable, and Charli proves it yet again. Denim jeans, a wardrobe staple, have an everlasting appeal. From date nights to casual hangouts, a good pair of jeans is versatile and timeless. And Charli XCX, the ultimate trendsetter, knows this all too well. But here's where it gets interesting. Charli recently stepped out in a unique ensemble, challenging the notion of formal attire. She rocked a pair of distressed, baggy jeans, proving that even the most relaxed denim can be party-ready when styled with intention. On Tuesday night, the award-winning singer attended an exclusive dinner in New York City with the Saturday Night Live crew. Her outfit? A perfect blend of comfort and luxury. She paired her denim delights with a navy graphic tee, a sleek black leather jacket, and the most intriguing square-toe biker boots. The look was effortlessly cool, completed with a simple black bag, statement shades, and her sparkling wedding ring. Her signature wavy brunette hair and a touch of rosy lip gloss added to the overall allure. Charli, married to the 1975's drummer George Daniel, is renowned for her bold, Gothic-inspired style. Whether performing in tiny leather shorts or sitting front row at fashion weeks in unique ensembles, she always makes a statement. And this is the part most people miss. It's not just about the clothes. Charli's confidence and fearlessness in her fashion choices are what truly make her an icon. She embraces her unique style, and that's what makes her so captivating. For the intimate dinner, Charli was joined by Sabrina Carpenter, whose style is a polar opposite. Sabrina brought back the butter yellow trend, showcasing a fresh autumn look with a chunky knit mini dress, ribbed socks, kitten heels, and a vibrant Chanel bag. As we approach the party season, finding the perfect outfit can be a challenge. But Charli's recent look serves as a reminder that sometimes simplicity is key. A pair of jeans and a leather jacket can be your go-to combo for any event. So, are you ready to embrace your inner Charli XCX and rock your own unique style? Remember, it's not just about the clothes. It's about the confidence and the story you tell with your outfit. Let's spark a conversation. Do you agree that a well-styled outfit can make a statement? Or do you prefer more traditional formal wear? We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments.